Hi guys, we are Mathemagicians and welcome to Math and We.
I thoroughly enjoyed the concepts that were discussed in the course, and this is because for the most part, I wouldn't really describe myself as someone that loves math or is really fond of it. However, throughout the class, my point of view has changed, and I can confidently say that my appreciation for mathematics has deepened and grown, as well as I now have a better grasp on its real-world applications. And I've realized that there are many concepts that I've been taking for granted, and an example of this can be seen in the concept of mathematics in the field of natural sciences and arts. And that's one field which I never took time to stop and admire the beauty that there is between math and art and the parallels that they both have. Game theory is a relevant field in mathematics, and this is because it has various applications, and this can be seen in the fields of social sciences, computer science, and logic. Originally, game theory was used in addressing zero-sum games. However, now its uses have expanded greatly and is now the general term used to describe the science of logical decision-making. Its uses are further seen in applied mathematics, wherein which it was used to study human and animal behavior, and it was originally used to study economics as a way to understand a large collection of economic behaviors which consist of firms, markets, and consumers.
So for me, actually, I didn't know why I was studying GEMAT when I was majored in Pol Sci, but after taking the lessons, I realized math is actually very important in our lives, whatever course you may be in. And since math has been used to solve problems since the beginning of time, it can be used to predict answers or the future. But instead of fortune telling, which predicts things by guessing, math predicts your outcome with facts and logical things. So they are actually true. So this is why I consider math as one of the most important things that you need, whatever course may you be, wherever you might be in, because math, you're gonna have problems in your life, and if you want to solve them, math is the way to solve them, bro. Math is awesome.
So we had a discussion in our math class before, and it asked us about our perspective on math as a language. And there I knew that math is truly a universal language, a universal concept known by all. So English could actually be a universal language that everybody knows, but not everyone in the world can actually learns that or actually use English to speak to one another. Thus, we have math. With math, we could talk about anything that's related to real life, like maybe our voting system, and down to the numbers and terms that we learn in business math. With math, it's something that never changes. So I guess that's why it's a language that all of us could understand, no matter how hard it is.
My whole life, considering that my parents were of the financial area of math, they were always teaching me or trying to teach me how to get used to financial planning. But I've never really come to appreciate learning how to finance my money when I finally came to college. Because actually doing the financial plan itself, the activity itself, I've come to realize that it's really important. It's very significant, especially when you want to reach a particular goal and you need a certain amount of money. You need to learn how to use financial plans, such as inquiring particular bank audits, or you have to learn how to solve for a particular time deposit, how much you're gonna earn in a particular amount of time. So if you're like every other college student, or it's early, it's better to learn how to finance your money at a young age before it's too late.
We all know that our lives are driven by the decisions we make. So how does math help us in decision making then? Well, we must first understand how math is relevant in our decisions. First, math helps us sift and balance information to produce rational and favorable outcomes. For example, in game theory, It produces the dominant strategy, which determines whether a key player is undermined by another player. It also helps us determine the Nash equilibrium, meaning the same chances or the same odds for both players. As a political science student, I think math and decision making is the best form of math I can use in my chosen field, since it helps me visualize and understand the nature of the law using statistics and chances.
Thanks for watching, and this was This Week Channel.